Yeah, this one is not too heavy. It's quite compact and lightweight. Welcome back to BK42. Today I got the brand new Engwe P275 SE. It seems to be a great commuting bike. So let's stop talking and get this thing together. Yeah, it comes really well packed. The bike seems safe inside. The accessory box, let's keep it aside for now. It's out. It's not heavy at all. Remove all protective foam from the bike. Detach the front wheel and set it aside for now. Inside the accessory box, you'll find a pair of aluminum pedals, a quick release axle, a small bell, a reflector, a battery charger, a toolkit, extra zip ties, and a user manual. Start by removing the 4 screws and the stem cap using a 4mm hex key. Carefully position the handlebars, ensuring that the cables are not twisted. Reinstall the stem cap and tighten the 4 screws evenly in a horizontal pattern. Don't forget to tighten the 2 side screws. Flip the bicycle upside down. Remove the temporary axle and make sure to remove the plastic spacer from the brake caliper. Slide the front wheel into the fork. Insert the quick release axle and tighten the nut until you feel resistance when closing the lever. Lock the lever in place. Make sure the wheel spins freely and without any noise. Then flip the bicycle upright. To install the front mudguard, use a 5mm hex key and a 10mm wrench to remove the top bolt. Then use a 4mm hex key to remove the 2 lower screws from the bottom of the fork. Slide the mudguard into position and align the headlight. Tighten the top screw and nut to secure the headlight. Then tighten the 2 mudguard arm screws. Make sure both the top screw and headlight are firmly secured. Organize the front cables using one of the spare zip ties. To install the rear rack, remove both screws from the rear fork and the center screw from the rack support. Position the rack, then tighten the top screw with a hex key and wrench. Secure the 2 button head screws on the sides. Prepare the taillight by removing the 2 bolts, then attach it to the rear rack plate. Use an 8mm wrench to fasten it securely. Use 2 zip ties to fix the cable neatly along the rear rack. Install the pedals next. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand counterclockwise. Then tighten it using a 15mm wrench. The right pedal screws in clockwise. Tighten it the same way. Almost done. Align the front wheel with the handlebar. Make sure the main stem bolt is tight. Then secure the 2 side stem bolts. Don't forget to replace the rubber cap. Attach the bell using a screwdriver. Inflate the tires and test the e-bike system. That's it! The new Engwe P275 SE is ready to ride.